pinasabog, pati plastic labo. Welcome back, guys. Ang cute nila.
Welcome back to TikTok Cloud, Cloud7.
Thank you
Of course,
po.
magpakilala muna kayo isa-isa para maalala natin kung sino kayo. Go!
Taking you higher, we are Cloud7. Kamusta po kayo? Hi everyone, I'm C7 Lucas.
Hello everyone, I'm C7 Cairo.
Hello mga kapuso, my name is C7 Yon.
Hello po, I'm C7 Egypt.
Hello everyone, I'm C7 Migs.
Hello everyone, I'm C7 PJ.
It's
Nice to meet you po!
Hello guys!
Congratulations, Cloud7, sa inyong bagong single. At grabe, nakaka-good vibes at nakakabagets yung choreo nyo. Gustong-gusto ni Kuya Jason yung ganun-ganun. Oo nga. Boys, paki-invite ang mga tiktropa natin na supportahan ang inyong latest single.
Yes, syempre po gusto po sana namin i-promote ang aming mga social media account. Please type Cloud7PH on all social media platforms.
And don't forget to stream our latest single, Bara Bara, and you can stream our music video also on YouTube. And don't forget, meron po kaming lumabas na upcoming digital series na title Up Up and Away on all Sparkle GMA Center platforms.
Wow! Thank you so much, Cloud7! Heto na ang isang beautiful Starstruck alum na ang tutulungan natin makahanap ng kilig sa Love Undercover. Susunod na yan sa pagbabalik ng TikTok
Ibe, mga tiktropa, kaunting oras na lang at mapapanood niyo na ang world premiere ng Encantadia Chronicles Sagre. Sama-sama po tayong tumutok, 8 p.m. po yan sa GMA Time.
Tiktropa! Pinanood mo hanggang sa dulo itong video na to? Very good ka! For more happy time, watch more TikTok Clock videos on our official social media pages and subscribe to GMA Network official YouTube channel.